In this video there are more running repairs required before we find somewhere to spend the night and head off to somewhere that looks as though it belongs in the Mediterranean.
I don't know where I've been, I don't know where I'm going.
First stop today was Loch Spa. It's amazing, it's like an Aladdin's cave with fresh fruit, bakery items, DIY items. There's even a post office. You can also get fuel and you can recharge your electric vehicle. It's an amazing little spot. This has got to be one of the riskiest passing places to have to stop on, in the middle of a golf course. Hope no one misshoots at the moment. That'd be good on your insurance company claim form, wouldn't it? We were hit by a golf ball whilst in a passing place in Scotland. We're looking for somewhere to spend the night. It's going to get difficult because not only is it Friday night, it's bank holiday weekend and it's half term. So after descending Balakna Bar, we were now working our way around the shores of Loch Carron. And we were about to turn off the main NC 500 for the very last time. It had been, that word, amazing, but the trip wasn't over yet. We got no definite plans, but all we knew was we were heading south. As we said earlier, we were looking for somewhere to park, but this wasn't to be it, and we decided to carry on driving south, further towards the Kyle of Loch. We decided to turn off the main road and go along these little back lanes, because we've found during our trip that these little back roads give you a lot more possibilities of finding somewhere suitable to spend the night. Unfortunately, these little back roads can lead you astray as well, and we went round and round and round. But as I've said before, getting lost isn't always a bad thing, because if we hadn't have got lost, we wouldn't have come across these. Shush, shut up, don't you start. You alright?
Yeah, I'm just watching behind me.
Oh, there's one in front, Bernie. Oh, they're amazing. Okay, look. You've got to love a Highland coo. Still onwards and upwards, we've still got to find that spot to spend the night. And not long afterwards we found just the thing. So after a very quiet night here, a few miles sort of south east of Plockton, north of Loch, we were finding it difficult to find a spot. Eventually spotted this big area. I'll show you later. Bernie's just doing the morning stuff, cleaning the windows. Morning, Bern.
Good morning.
And we all have our little jobs in the morning. I've got the kettle on.
Window cleaner as well. Driver.
Got the kettle on, and this morning we're going to have some Warburton cinnamon and raisin bagels. Yum. There's a little bit more breeze today, so it's keeping the little blighters away, thankfully. There's the odd one too, but nothing like it was yesterday morning, thank heavens.
Sammy got blue. Leave them then.
Checklist done, it was time to head off. And we were setting off to go to visit Plockton. Unfortunately, this turned out to be a false start. So we backed up to where we'd been parking all night to see if we could fix it. We have a brake light off, but Bernie carries a set of just about everything. Yeah, fuses and bulbs.
Fuses, bulbs. Like most camper vans, I'm assuming.
So now,
So, yeah, I'm gonna have to. Well, what we'll have to do is maybe find somewhere.
is it no good doing it here where it's quiet?
We could do.
So it looks like most of the day has gone by the time we had a leisurely breakfast. Packed away, we were just on our way to go and look at Plockton, and I noticed there was a brake light off. Unfortunately, despite having the spare bulb and a set of Allen keys, the one that we needed to remove the cover off the lights was a torque type one, and we didn't have one of those in the van. Lesson learned. So we'll have to try and get hold of one and fix it later. We'd made it to Plockton, but we're not sure exactly how long we're going to stay dry. It looks a bit threatening. It's a pretty little village, and I'm loving this style where the houses are black with the white grouting. We've seen quite a few of those in this area. It's a bit different from the white painted houses that you see in a lot of these villages. These boys playing with a homemade ramp on a bike reminds me a lot of our childhood. When we were out playing, we did silly things. And then your mum would say, "Don't come running to me if you break your leg." Managed to finish our walk before the rain came in. I made some ham sandwiches this morning and a flask of coffee, just in case the weather did close in. Job's good because we're going to sit here now, relax and enjoy a very rainy view. Thanks for joining us on this video, and if you've enjoyed it, why not come along with us next time, where the rain stops us visiting a very famous castle before we get inundated by the crowds and finally stopped and pulled over by the police.